Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein gummy bears. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious protein gummy bears. You'll need unflavored gelatin, your favorite protein powder, and a liquid base such as fruit juice or a sugar-free drink. For best results, choose a protein powder that dissolves easily and has a mild flavor profile. You might also want to include a natural sweetener to enhance the taste of your homemade treats. This simple preparation ensures a great foundation for your healthy snack. Next, combine your chosen liquid and unflavored gelatin in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over low heat, whisking constantly until the gelatin completely dissolves, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once smooth, gradually incorporate your protein powder, stirring continuously to avoid any clumps. The goal is a perfectly smooth, lump-free mixture, ready for the next step in creating your protein-packed gummies. Now it's time for the fun part, molding your gummy bears. Carefully pour the warm protein mixture into your silicone gummy molds. Be sure to fill each cavity evenly, but avoid overfilling to ensure neat shapes. Once all the molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is crucial for the gummies to set properly and achieve their firm, chewy texture. After chilling, gently pop your firm protein gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily, revealing perfectly shaped treats. To keep them fresh, store your homemade gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their delicious texture and flavor for up to 1 week. Now you have a convenient, high-protein snack ready to enjoy whenever you need a healthy boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.